Hello guys, welcome to another video of quick Bitcoin TA update. First of all, this video is not any financial advice. This is for the educational purpose only. All the loss or profit made by using information in this video will be at your own risk, so don't consider me or give me responsibility of your losses ahead. So let's just jump into the Bitcoin. So from the last update, we can see that we broke this range downwards, and then we had a sheer move downwards that towards that 2800, and then formed a range between 21,200 and 20,800. And now what I wanna say is that we formed a range here, you can see, and then this low, the initial low, was swing failure, and those who have watched my earlier videos would have known that this was a valuable, or you can say a valid long scalp trade. But anyways, if you got it, you are right. If you're not, then move on, look for the next trade. So we formed a range between 28,800 and 21,200, or we can say 21,400. And then after ranging for some time, the swing failure to the low of the range happened, and we broke this range way down, upside, sorry. And now if we take fixed range volume profile from the start of the range to the end of the range, here you can see this candle broke the range, and here you can clearly see that this region is a high volume cluster region, and this is an indication that huge amount of volume have been come from here. So we have moved upside from here, so if volume has to become from here, it should be the buying volume. So we can consider this region to act as a support or demand region, and we can look up forward to this region for a valuable, at least an intraday scalp or long trade with a price action like this, with an easy move towards. See, there was not any heart in the move downside, so the inefficiencies are large, so there would be high probability that we would shoot upside very fastly with the same pace we move downside. So but to be safe, your TP1 could be around this region, around 22,100, 22,000 or 22,200, depending on what you want. And your TP2 could be around 22,700, TP3 could be around 23,200 or 23,400, and then so on. You can hold it with trailing stop loss or whatever your trading strategy is. So that's it for the Bitcoin. Overall, we are still ranging below 19,700. If we break below 19,700, we are gonna create new lows. If we break and hold about 23,800, by holding I mean flipping into support, not something like this. Went above, didn't retested it, just went above and then tanked down. So I hope you guys would have understood it, and if you found this video useful, then do smash a like button on this video, share it with your friends and family, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates like this.